Today's video shows you the difference between the CO80-1200PRO and the 4-tube rotary CO80-210PRO. CO80-1200PRO uses a roller up and down, one pair at a time to print. CO80-210PRO uses a 4-tube rotary printing, one at a time, without the need for rollers up and down, to achieve uninterrupted cycle printing. Don't worry about printer on demand orders. We have developed software that matches both types of machines. From the video, we can see that the 4-tube rotary sock printer has a faster printing speed. No need for upper and lower rollers, which is more convenient and fast. Next, we will perform 3 times acceleration to check the printing effects of the two machines. According to our test, CO80-210PRO can print 65-80 pairs per hour depending on the operator. CO80-1200 can print 35-42 pairs per hour.